Sir, I'm afraid you can't smoke.
What do you want?
Your cigarette. You have to put it out.
Cigarette? What? This? No, I'm not going to put it out.
You must.
What's that?
If you don't, we can't take off.
Well, that's your problem, isn't it? It's your move.
I'm afraid you
No,
can't...
I'm not going to pull it out. You're just going to have to wait till I've finished it. As simple as that.
Why don't you just put the cigarette out?
What's that, Sancho? You want me to cut your hands off, use it as an ashtray? Yeah, I'll put it out, providing you're prepared to let me stub it out on your eyeball. I'll put it out. Agreeable? No. Here come the gay brigade, look.
I'll tell you what. I'll get off the plane. You happy with that? I'm happy with that. I'll smoke it outside. Open the door. I hope this crashes. Open the fucking door!